In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Pydroid 3 app on your Android device. So this is going to help you run your Python codes on your Android device. You hop on Google Play Store like this, search for Pydroid 3, you're going to find it. If you don't find it, use a VPN. So now let's move to the interface. This is how the interface looks like. If you write codes on VS Code, you are going to see this how Python appears on VS Code. So this is the file name here. So now to run it, you can see the play button there, just like on VS Code. Tap on that, yes or no, and that's the code. There, simple and easy. Now let's talk about the interface. This is how it looks like. You can just tap on it like this and start doing something. You get, yeah, and you see this button here, the lower side of your screen. You can see your tab. Just like tab, you go forward on VS Code. Same thing here. You have all the signs here. If you are not finding it on your phone or you don't want to be using your keyboard, you can find everything here by sliding. Yeah, the modulars and all that. You find everything here. Good. So now to save a file, you can see I have this file name here, new file.py. So tap on the folder there. Good. So here you can tap on new to create a new folder, just like on VS Code. You can tap on open to go and find a Python file and bring it here, just like on VS Code. And you can tap on the save to save as for a file that you've already saved, and then close to close the file. You get it? I'm not going to close it, so I'll return. So now let's try to open a new file. So we tap on this here, and then we move to open. Good. And then we move to internal. And I think I saved a Python folder here before the tutorial. So let's move to P. MNOP. Good. And you see there's the folder here. And you can see I have a file here, the new file we are working on. I tap on that. Good. You see it opens again, but this is the other tab and this is the new tab. That's a very simple. To save, you tap on save to save. To save as, you tap on save to save as. You get it? And then I think that's it. If you want hints to, you can tap on the light button and then you get everything you want to. Now let's move to the settings. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Yes, and you can see the interpreter here and the terminal if you want to run it, just like on VS Studio. Very, very simple. Let me drag this here, and you can go to premium if you want to, and here you can install some libraries if you want to. So the PIP, just tap on that. Good. And then you see the library here, just tap the library here, or quick install. You're going to find some stuff here. TensorFlow is for premium and all these things. Touch is for premium, but you can install this NumPy and the rest for your data analysis stuff. You can install it. Yeah, simple and easy. When you come here, you search for the name, but here it's going to be more simple. You just find it and you install it on your Pydroid 3 here. You can share your stuff here. You have Pastebin, you have samples, and you have Get AI powered IDE. So I think you watch an ad and then you get that. And now let's move to the settings. You can also change your terminal settings too as well. Tap on that. Good. And you can read through them. Anything you want to do here, you change it. It's up to you. Good. And now let's come back. Hamburger menu again, and now let's move to our settings. Good. And here we can change our theme, just like the appearance on VS Studio. So mine is on light. You can turn on, I'm turning off dark mode. And then your font, you can change your font type to, up to you. You can change your font size, up to you if you want your codes to appear bigger. Let me make it 18. And the theme, you can see my theme is light. You can make it dark or anything of your choice. I think a lot of people use dark on VS Studio. The editor theme too, you can change it to dark too as well. It's up to you. That's it for the settings. And the system, you can come here, you can read this to make a lot of changes here too as well. It's up to you how you want your app to appear, so you can do your editing. Good. And this is also here, word wrap and all that. You can turn it on and off. Yeah, buttons and all. Everything has been turned on here, but if you don't want anything, you read and turn it off. I think I've reviewed everything about the app. This is a nice app that's going to help you write your Python codes and run them immediately. So you see how it appears. Very simple. I've talked about everything. It's a simple app, installing your libraries and everything. You have any question, you let me know in the comment section. Just like I've showed you guys how to open a file, how to save a folder so you can work on it, and then everything. And you also can share. By sharing it, you can just go on your mobile phone with an Android. You can just share it and then you open it on VS Studio on a PC. So that's it on everything on Pydroid 3. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.